also in Arabic. So what does broken plural looks like in Arabic? You have the word kitab, for example, right? Now, broken plural is kutub, book, books. Rajul, a man. Broken plural, rijal. So you see, don't say kitab, kitabuna, rajul, rajuluna. You are basically breaking the rule, and then you have to remember the plural form because it's a broken plural. If it would be standard, we would apply the same rule. If it's broken, you have to remember. So madrasa, you have to remember that the plural is madaris. So this is a standard plural and this is a broken plural in Arabic, right? At this point, we were comparing English and Arabic side by side, in a sense that we have sound plural and broken plural in English. We have sound plural and broken plural in Arabic. So same. But we say same, but different. How it is different? Sound and broken plurals in Arabic are not mutually exclusive. So what do I mean by this? So look, for example, the word kafir. Now, I'll try to understand it because this, you won't find it in English. It's the first steps of thinking about it in Arabic. Kafir. The sound plural, kafiruna, right? Disbeliever, disbelievers. But at the same time, you have broken plural, and guess what? Two broken plurals, kuffar, kafara. Understand this for a second, because in English, you don't have disbeliever, disbelievers, and another broken way of pluralizing it, and another broken way to pluralize it. You have only one standard plurals or sound plural and only one broken plural. You cannot have one standard and two broken, like we will find here. Kafiruna, one standard, kafara, kuffar, are broken. See, this is where English is helpless. English is not able to communicate this difference because I'll ask you, translate for me the word kafir. You'll say disbeliever. Correct. Translate for me the word kafirun. You'll say disbelievers. And the word kafara, disbelievers. And the word kufar, disbelievers. As if it is the same word. It's not the same word. Kafiruna is not the same as kafara, and kafara is not the same as kufar. Getting what I'm saying, getting it how much we miss on translation. Because translation, the idea is to replace Arabic with English. You cannot replace because we have only one word in English and we need to replace three different words to show the difference. Do you understand what I'm getting? And it's not possible to translate it in English. You can only understand it in Arabic. Making sense, right? The only way is to understand how things works in Arabic, because forget about trying to translate it in English. And sometimes Allah says kafirun in Quran, sometimes Allah says kuffar, and sometimes Allah says kafara. And they don't mean the same thing. They mean different things. So what we're gonna do, we will be looking at how things get lost in translation when you take the word disbelieve and we pluralize it, and in English it's only one word, and in Arabic three different words. Yeah, jama mudhakkar salim and jama taksir or jama mukassar. Right, correct. Right. Now, this is just one example. There are many instances like this. So, for example, you take the word kabir. That means big. You can make it plural, kabiruna, that's standard way of pluralizing, and you can say kibar, broken way of pluralizing. You see, the same word can be pluralized in two ways. Take the word sagir, small. You can say sagiruna, that's adding una, standard way of pluralizing. And then you have sigar, this is broken way of pluralizing. So here, the question would be, why do we need both? Why won't we use one way of pluralizing like we do it in English? Why we just stick? Why do we need more than one way of expressing seemingly the same thing, because in English for us this meaning is lost. So the question is, why we need more than one?